Coming up. Welcome to, how do you say it?
Vevey.
Pearl of the Swiss Riviera.
Allegedly.
Right here. Morning.
Right, just about 20,000 people live in
Vevey.
and the area is often referred to as the Swiss Riviera, and both
Vevey.
and Montreux are the expensive posher parts. We did 4 nights in
Vevey.
and it did not disappoint. Let us show you why. Let's go. Smells like coffee. Smells good.
Cute layout.
Post boxes. Random. Bonjour, madame. It's all pretty. Basically, pretty that way, pretty that way, pretty that way, very pretty that way, pretty that way, and looks adorable that way. So let's go that way. That is very cute. Nice over there as well. They're cool.
Ouais, parce qu'en fait, si tu veux, dès que tu rentres dans mon bâtiment, il y a un gros couloir qui fait peur. Non, mais je sens.
Oh, patisserie. I'm drawn there. Let's have a look. Like a moth to the flames.
T'as de l'argent?
Ask kebab or an ass falafel? What would you like?
Ask kebab or ask for neither, thank you. Wow. Very vibey. Very romantic. Oh. This area also benefits from a microclimate, which makes things warmer than other parts of Switzerland. And there's a lot of great architecture around. Here are some of my favorites. Also, we are 7 kilometers from Montreux.
The global headquarters of Nestle. Right here.
I had no idea that Nestle make all
much
of this.
Everything. Yeah.
They make everything. They made you actually, probably.
Yes, that might be detrimental.
They made my undies. Yeah, they make everything. Wow. Okay. Well, had no idea.
Shut up, Charlie.
Charlie Chaplin spent the last few years of his life here. Can you blame him?
Bonjour.
You won't? Bonjour, may I have 5 kgs?
Merci.
Random market vibes.
I know.
Do you want something yummy? The lakeside was glorious.
Not unlike other parts of Switzerland, it's the kind of place where you just stand and just stare at the view for hours.
Yep, world-class water, world-class mountains, and world-class infrastructure.
Shh.
World-class. Didn't Shania Twain move here too, somewhere? And Audrey Hepburn, and David Bowie.
Bowie. Keep chucking names out. Sure. Yeah. Frank Sinatra, Ella Fitzgerald.
No.
Queen Elizabeth. Napoleon.
No. I also read that Tina Turner retired in Switzerland and became a Swiss citizen.
Marie Antoinette. No?
I want to move here too. Well before retirement though.
This might seem a bit random, but can we interest you in an enormous fork?
The world's biggest fork, apparently. We should dunk the camera. Bonjour les fishies! Very clean. Very good.
Swiss clean.
Okay. This fork is 8 meters tall and 1.3 meters wide, and it is stainless steel.
Oh, well, that's good to know.
Isn't it? Very useful information. We need to dunk the camera one more time.
Vevey.
Pearl of the Swiss Riviera. So this is the bit of the video where we kind of sum it up and go, oh, you should come here because it was amazing.
Blah, blah, blah.
blah, 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 blah. But there's no need. Just look.
Yeah.
Decide for yourself. The paparazzis are onto us. Shit. They've got our location.
And we'll have another video up soon, won't we?
We will.